After sedate day, where the Dow edged up 39 points, S&P gained 0.22%, record close. NASDAQ advanced 0.15%, also two-notch a record close. This whole notion of the Fed as Grand Inquisitor is so out of touch with reality, with the trench warfare of the moment. You know what? Makes me want to gag. You don't want to see that. Forget the big picture stuff. There are two things you need to keep track of when you're picking stocks right now: the sector and the company, which includes the people running it. You want sectors that are in bull market mode. And while following the Fed can help, it's telling you a small portion of the story. You want to stay away from underperforming groups and battlegrounds and just go with what is working. Buy, buy, buy! So, let me show you how to do this. Let me show you how to apply this two-pronged test with some examples which can make you some money. Start with the semiconductor stocks. They are in raging bull mode. Now, there's a host of great ones to choose from. I'm not going to fight any of them. I think NXP, that's for autos, the dominant maker for what we need in these cars that's so in demand. Qualcomm, guts of the cell phone. Marvell Tech for 5G and high-performance computing. They call it HPC. But I prefer AMD and Nvidia because they make incredible products and they have fabulous leadership. And at AMD, Lisa Su is closing in on the biggest deal of her life, the Xilinx acquisition, which will help the company diversify away from just gaming and computers. That way, AMD will no longer get dragged down every time Intel says something negative about the CPU business, even when it only seems to be raining on Intel's side of the street. As for Nvidia, I like to call CEO Jensen Huang a modern Da Vinci because he is a Renaissance man, a painter, a draftsman, a scientist, an engineer, and an architect. The only differences are that Da Vinci never wore a cool motorcycle jacket and Jensen never stole cadavers to study anatomy, as far as I know. As I told members of the ActionAlertsPlus.com club on our monthly call today, if Nvidia can purchase this ARM Holdings, if it can close on it, it will become the most important semiconductor company of our time. It's already pretty close. Did you notice that the government's using chips from AMD and Nvidia for its supercomputer as it awaits Intel's delayed product? Doesn't that say it all?
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.